Hey Dekoni fans! We're going to show you how to install your new Earpads for the Meze 109 Pro. The first step is to remove your old Earpads, which can be easily removed by stretching outward inside of the stock Earpads. Once complete, it is now time to grab your new Dekoni Audio Earpads. Please note that both pads are symmetrical, so choose freely which Earpad you would like to apply. For aesthetic reasons, we will be putting the seam of the Earpad at the bottom of the 109 ear cups. I'd like to start out by funneling one section of the Earpad ring into the mounting groove of the 109 Pros. Work your way around the groove by funneling more of the Earpad into it. I recommend keeping a grip on the part of the pad that is already in the groove, so as to not lose already made progress. Once you near the end of the application process, sometimes you need a little help to take it home. Rotate the pad slightly to help the pad apply itself to the final section of the ear cup groove. Now, repeat this process once more for the other side. Once the entire process is complete, we would like to be the first to say we hope you enjoy your new Dekoni Audio Earpads. For all your headphone accessory needs, head on over to dekoniaudio.com.